In this video, we are going to see some useful extensions which will make image generation much easier. You can see my UI is looking a little different than the default UI. I have installed this extension. So, how does it work? It is showing all the settings on one side. Showing Generate button smaller, so we can focus more on the output image. And showing all checkpoints and LORAs on one side. You can install this extension from their GitHub link, then apply and restart UI. If you want to see the preview image of your LoRa and models, then download preview images in JPG or PNG format. Then put them into your Stable Diffusion Web UI folders models/checkpoint or LoRa folder. Then rename image files with the same name as LoRa or the model file. We are going to use another useful extension LyCORIS, which is similar to LoRa but has little different programming inside. You can install this extension from here. We are going to use another useful extension called After Detailer for face restoration. You can install this from their GitHub link. Our next extension is Diffusion, which is a prompt generator. If you are feeling a little lazy to write a new prompt and need a quick prompt, then this extension might be very useful to you. So let's start an image generation with Diffusion. I am using DreamShaper 8. I am using the category Fantasy. Style Raw Photo. Lighting Soft Light. Lens 35mm. Then click Generate including negative prompt. And send into text to image. You can see the prompt fields are filled automatically. I am using another extension called Aspect Ratio Helper. Here you can lock any ratio so that if you change one slider, another slider will change automatically according to the ratio you selected. To get this feature you have to install this little extension. Now I will change this prompt a little and write my prompt. Let's generate the image. So I am going to use some LoRa to get my desired image. To make this writing theme more accurate, I am using this LoRa. As I want a nighttime image, to make the low light situation more beautiful, I am using this LoRa. And to make the situation, holding something, more accurate, I am using this LyCORIS. Let's generate the image now. I am emphasizing my prompt more by adding a double first bracket. The image has started to become what I want. But the face is not right. Now I am going to use this extension After Detailer, as I previously said. I enabled this extension, and I am choosing this model for the face restoring process. And writing this prompt for the face restoration process only. I am not changing any settings for now. Let's generate the image once again. You can see the face is restored and the image is looking much better now as per the prompt I wrote. This image can be made better through the upscaling process. You can watch my video on upscaling. I have provided all the links to extensions and LoRa files in the description. Thanks for watching.